So finally it's time to unbox my very first Kaido house, and it's the number 172 Nissan Fairlady Z Kaido GT Advan in the red and black livery. So here's the box, and the box looks pretty good and the same as the livery, and I'm gonna unbox it. So let's quickly unbox it. So after unboxing the seal, it's time to unbox it, and here we go. So this is the 100% Kaido house written on one side, the Kaido house plus mini GT badging on the other side, and the same on the other sides. And this is the car, the black and red livery of the Nissan Fairlady Z. So it's time to take it out. Well, this is a bit of a core, isn't it? Ah, here we go. So this is what we get out of the box, and once we take it out, this is the car. This looks pretty good, just like the coloring on the box, as the mini GT does. So they match the color. Well, the color in this one is a bit off. It's a bit of a pale reddish rather than this one. And if we take it off, so this is the car. Exactly looks. The livery looks great, and let's have a look. Also it has the plastic headlights. The color looks good. The Kaido House badging and the tires look good, and also the chassis of the Kaido House, and it's purple. The purple looks pretty good. Not much of detailing down there, but that's what we have. And from the rear, it has very good spoiler, 100% Kaido House written, the Advan Livery. The number plate has something in Korean or Japanese. I don't know much about it. The Yokohama sticker, probably Japanese. And then from the side, I like how it looks. Also the design. So if we look closely, nothing much of the badging, it's just Yokohama and one written on the tires. The rims look good. Looks pretty good from the rear. The front looks good, like a typical Nissan Fairlady Z. Not much of the design changes in there. And the opening hood. So let's pop it up and let's have a peek inside. So the hood looks pretty good. And if we look into the details, the Kaido House written here. The hood looks pretty classy. And also I just missed about the headlamps. The headlamps here look pretty good. If I can just focus, and overall it looks very classy Kaido House here.